Hello people of this world. Recently I went into the Nike store and I bought a new pair of shoes. It's called the Nike Air Max 720. They're super dope shoes, and if I were to explain the look of it, it looks like a sandal and a sneaker combined into one. I think the design is really unique and I just can't wait to show you a closer look into these shoes. Firstly, I wanted to show you how the box looks. It's so cool, like the foil print all over it, and also when you put it in the light, it reflects off rainbow holographic effects, and I just really love it when they put little details to the design of the box and the packaging. On the side tag, it says the name of the shoe. It says Nike Air Max FF720, that's the full name of the shoe, and I'm a size 7, and this is the color Summit White. There are two colors, there's the black one and the white one, but I ended up getting the white one because I just like the more contrasting colors. The black just looks super black all over, but it does look like pretty sleek too. I'm going to open the box here, and when you first open it, it comes in this mesh bag that's a protector, and right here it says 720 Nike Air Max FF720, inspired by the visionaries who create the world they want to live in. The future of Air Max is here and it's in your hands. So some inspiring words on it. That's super cute. And let me just take it out of the bag and show you how it looks. So right here, I absolutely love it, and as you can see, it's a shoe that you don't have to wear socks with because there are cutouts here, and that's where the sandal inspiration comes from. And then there's the closed toe for the sneaker. So I'm gonna give you a closer look. Let me just come closer and you can see the details of it. Let me give you a quick show around of the shoe. Here is the side view, then the top, and then the other side right here, and lastly the back. I'm gonna start off with the top part of the shoe. Right here you can see there are little air holes to make the shoe more breathable for your feet. There is a little indentation for the Nike logo, and that's super cool. For the color, it's more of a stone gray color compared to the trim, and the bottom of the shoe, it's super bright white, and I really love the contrasting colors between these. It makes the shoe look more interesting and unique. Right here, let me take out the packaging. I wanted to show you how you're gonna get your foot in and out. There is an elastic band right here, so when you slide your feet in, it will be easy to let it, just slide them in. There is also just one lace that goes all the way to the back, and here there is an elastic too, so you can also slide your feet in and the elastic will secure your foot in place, and then you'll just tie it in the back to make it more secure. So that's super cool. I also really like the cutouts on the side. So when I said it's really unique, it just really is inspired by both a sandal and a sneaker, and I think it's a super convenient and cool shoe to wear on a really like a day where you're super busy and it's just you have no time and you just want to wear closed toe shoes, and you just slip these on. These are the perfect shoe. A lot of the Nike shoes recently, they've been coming out with this clear material, and when you touch it, it's not super hard. It does have a little bounce to it, but this transparent plastic gives it a really cool effect, like you're seeing through the shoe, and I really like it. It gives a contrast between all the different colors, and it matches really well with the super sleek design of this shoe. It looks like you're bouncing up, because here you have this small to larger in the back. It does give you a little bit of height, and I like how they incorporated the platform in a different way to give you a little height, so it just looks like it's part of this design. Lastly, I'm going to show you really quickly the bottom of the shoe. Some people are curious, and it's just a super clean, sleek, simple design on the bottom. There are some ridges for friction and then the Nike logo, and that's all for a closer look at this shoe. Overall, I like the Nike Air Max 720. I got these in my original size and I think they fit true to size. So if I were to suggest, I would suggest you just go in your regular size. And when I tried these on in the store, I felt that the soles were really cushiony and really comfortable. So I'm expecting these to be really comfortable shoes that I can walk in all day. I think these are gonna be super convenient for me just to slip in and out of. And if I just wanna wear a shoe that I don't really wanna wear socks with, I will wear these. And if I were to match them in other outfits, I would wear these mostly with leggings or jeans or more casual outfits. I think that your shoes will really pop out, especially if you just wear black leggings or all black. These shoes will look super cool in them too. Please let me know what you think about these shoes. Do you like them or do you hate them? It's okay to hate them too, but I really love them and I hope you do too. If you are interested in getting these shoes, I will leave a link in the description box below. There is the black one and the white one, so you can check them both out. I'll put them both there. And I hope to see you in the next video, so please give me a like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye!